Here we go. Money talk.
Here comes the money. Money, money, money.
Dollar, dollar. Dollar, dollar.
Here comes the money.
Here we go. Money talk.
Here comes the money. Money, money, money.
Dollar, dollar.
Hello and welcome to Money on the Floor. I'm here to help you pick it up. Talking about arbitraging, talking about cryptos, talking about trading, talking about this awesome coin that's going up. I love it. Something must be happening. Some people must be knowing something. But we're all over the board on this thing. I saw it up to 11 cents. Now it's down to 10, 10.9. So it's still almost 11 cents. So pretty awesome. Can't wait for that thing to go up. I mean, at least at 10 cents, you can get something off the platform. So I'm sure they took all the limits off and everything. So hopefully people are able to get some money off and everybody's happy. But I'm waiting for it to go up. I'm still growing my account, waiting for Trade Pro, waiting to invest my money into Trade Pro and make more. And then get that Never card, a crypto debit card, put it on there and go spend it and have a great life. That's what my goal is. Sounds simple. So far, just waiting. But seeing that coin come up makes me happy. Makes me feel like it's coming, like it will happen. I'm sure it will. It's just all this waiting, people get kind of wacky in the head. I know I do. All my bills, everything else, working hard for, go out there and install a door for $300, work hard all day long, and that's all I get. I'd rather sit here and trade pro and make $300. Yep, right here, sitting in my underwear, making $300. Why would I want to get out and hurt myself, tear up my shoulders, trying to impress people and keep them happy when I can just do that and be happy? So that's what I look forward to. I'm already trading currencies, so I make good money doing that, but it's still not enough. I need more. I got a couple companies, I trade their money, I get a little bit from that every month, so that helps. But still need more. I want to not have to go out and do construction work at all anymore. I know that's what Rob the Trader wants. I know Cass A doesn't want to go out and deliver Pepsi anymore. So I know Teddy would like easy life too. So we're all the same. I know Anthony, he wants to quit the bank. So we're all the same. All my friends, we got the same plan. Want to make it, not have to work hard anymore. But we need Trade Pro. We need crypto debit card. But I think it's coming. I believe it's coming. I believe in David Peterson. I believe in his team. I believe that it'll change our lives. So I can't wait. I'm excited. Let's go ahead and check out our account, see where we're at. Bam, there it is, $22,189. Just moving along. Remember back when I started, it was only 1,600. So that was about 3.5 months ago. I still got some ETH for my gas tank. I'm getting low, but I was hoping it would go up, but it keeps coming down, this ETH. It's crazy. Bitcoin came down, had a big drop. ETH had a big drop. So remember, with a big drop comes a big rise. So usually everything runs one way, then all of a sudden jumps the other way, catch you off guard. So be ready for it. It's usually what happens. It's crazy. So we'll go over here and go to ABOT and see what got paid out exactly. There we go. 0.52%. It's good. Look, we're up 1760. We're down. We were up 1770. So my gas tank's getting low. I got about 3 or 4 more days in there. I got the ETH on the platform. I'm just waiting for that to go up. I'm hoping it goes back up to 280 where it was, where I should have taken it. No, I got greedy. You know what happens when you get greedy? You lose. So take that. Learn from my lesson. Don't get greedy. So anyway, everything looks good. We're doing great. ETH is still low, but that coin's coming up, so I like it. Dropped right now, 10.8, but that's okay. It'll go back up. We go look at it how it was doing for the day. Come on. I got my trading platform open, so it slows down my computer. Sorry. Yeah, see, we were all the way up at 1106. That's awesome. Yeah, so we're moving up. See, we're bouncing all around. Had a little drop, then a big rise. See, right now we're in Bitcoin and ETH had a big drop, so I'm hoping we'll bounce around and have a big rise up like that too. That should be nice. Let's go check out Trade Pro, see what's really going on. See if there's a deposit button yet. That's what I want. Come on back. There we go. There we go. Just going sideways right here. There's support. Going sideways, but got a great candle. So that means ETH is stronger than Bitcoin right now. And if we look at the drops, they're dropped about the same, so they're pretty even there. But for some reason, we're getting a green candle on the day chart, so it means something. Let's go down to 4 hour. Yep, there's a green rise right there. You're going to have to get up about, well, actually, put a trend line across here. It's already broken and gone out, so it looked like it broke out, came back, retested, it's already going, so it's already a buy trade on a 4 hour chart. It's a buy trade. You got some resistance right here, and the ultimate target's all the way at the top again. And your stop would go right underneath that wick, just in case. But you know, if it comes down to this point here, I just close the trade and get out. I can only lose half of that. But just in case, give you some room in case it moves real fast or something. But let's take it down on lower time frame. See if we can find more information. Now, if you look here, it broke out, came back, retested, then took off already. So it's already on the move up. That's ETH against Bitcoin. So let's go and look at Bitcoin US dollar. Okay, now it's dropped. Remember that line I said if it gets below, it dropped way below that, guys. Wow. Wish I was watching that one. So we dropped it. I would have sold that in a heartbeat. Trend lines it on a day chart. That was big money there. Wow. Oh, well, it sucks. Right now we're down here at support. This is the floor. And it could get a bounce off here. You never know. We could just be going sideways for a while now. We haven't broke structure. What structure means, if you're coming up here and you have a higher high, lower low, higher high, lower low, higher high, lower low, higher high, lower low, even high, higher low. So we're still got structure here. Now, this point right here, right there where it's at, is the point it can't break below. If it breaks below that, it is no more an uptrend. Now will be a downtrend, or we'll be going sideways. But it's only a downtrend if you keep getting a couple more, you know, lower lows and lower highs, lower lows and lower highs. So right now, this is the structure right here. If it breaks this line and stays below, it broke structure. All because it penetrated through it, came back up, doesn't mean anything. So just so you know that. But that's our structure. You got to learn to read structure. Very important. One day we'll go over it real good. Make a lot more sense. I know I've probably talked about it before, but we need to go over it real good so you understand. We just have a 10-minute session on it or something. But it's very important. This is how I go by everything. This is another way to say, is this going to go up or down? So right now, I'm holding, this is support, plus also it's structurally support, structure. This is the point. If it breaks it, then it's no longer an uptrend. That means a lot. That means no more buys. And from that on, I'm looking for it for sell trades. I mean, just the fact that red candles on a day chart, I'd be looking for sell trades. But we have a broke structure. This thing could bounce right off of here because it's strong resistance and bounce up. This is the floor. It could bounce right off that floor like a big ball and go all the way back up. And on a day chart, that would be good money. So I would trade that up. But let's go down to a smaller time frame. Let's go down to something we understand. Get a lot more candles in there. There you go. So you put the trend line across here. It broke out, went back up, retested, and just dropped like a rock. Came down to here. We're bouncing around. So it's hitting support right there, and we're bouncing around. Could go back up, could go down, but until it breaks this line down here, I'm still looking for buys. If it breaks that line, no more buys. That's how I look at it. Now let's check out ETH and the US dollar real quick. Same thing, trend line. Well, this was more of a triangle and it broke out of the triangle. Trend line was only around here, you could have done it. And it just barely broke that. But see, right now we went higher highs, lower lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. It penetrated down, but it's closed above. And right now, unless till we break below this, we're still uptrend. Same thing, just like the big US BIC. So right now, we're not looking for sells yet. This could still be a buy trade off of this. So be ready for this. And this could be a pull trade. You know, it could be bouncing around sideways. And then whatever it took for us to get into here, it's going to go up. You know, there's no way to know. But it's just another thing to look for. But I'd definitely be looking for a buy off this candle. If I start to get a candle that's starting to go up, and all of a sudden, you know, and this is a hammer here, so this is telling me that it wants to go the other way. It tells me it's a reversal signal. It's a buy signal. And we got to go overhand, got another hammer here. Look, buy signal went up. See them a lot in here. Now, if it's the opposite way, then it's called a shooting star. So the wicks to the top and the little pieces at the bottom, and you got it going down. That's a shooting star. So there's a lot to go over. We'll get it. Anyway, guys, stay ARB strong, hang in there, and we will talk to you soon. Bye-bye.
Here comes the money.
Here we go. Money talk.
Here comes the money. Money, money, money.
Dollar, dollar. Dollar, dollar.
Here comes the money.
Here we go. Money talk.